Today's learning goal says, I can identify how a character responds to major events and challenges by understanding their point of view. A character's point of view is the way the character thinks and feels about a certain situation or person in the story. In many stories, a character's point of view on something or someone changes based on major events and challenges that character might face. I've been reading this book, The Earth Dragon Awakes. I'm going to use this text to model how you would analyze a character's point of view in a story. I remember reading in the first lesson that Henry thought his father was boring and adds numbers all day. Henry wanted to be like Marshall Earp. So before the earthquake, I'm going to write all of those details down about Henry's point of view of his father. After the earthquake, Henry's point of view changed drastically. I read that Mr. Travis responded to the earthquake by jumping in to help his family and neighbors. He organized one group of people to dig through the rubble and another to form a bucket brigade. Henry's point of view has definitely changed. Now he wants to be like his father. So I'm going to write that in his point of view for after the earthquake. Do you see how one major event in a story can totally change a character's point of view on another character or a situation? Your learning goal was to identify how a character responds to major events and challenges by understanding their point of view, just like I modeled today with the book The Dragon Awakes. See if you can understand points of view better now that you have watched this learning video in a text that you're reading.